This is the Kroy Testing Demonstration video number 1. The video you will be seeing was captured on Saturday the 17th, 2021 in Elmhurst, Illinois. The video was captured through Kroy's custom-made sensor that uses both image recognition and LiDAR technologies. You will notice a box pop up around the train labeling it as a train. The number in the box to the right of that is the percent probability our program is correct. In this next clip, you will see me walk in front of the train. It identifies me as a person, as well as continuing to identify the train in the background. Along with the video data that we receive, we also get LiDAR data. We did have a malfunction with our LiDAR system that has since been fixed, but the LiDAR will be formatted in the sheet you see here, giving us timestamps and distance values. This LiDAR data is connected to each frame of the video that you've seen. By connecting it to each frame, we're able to identify the distance from the sensor to the train at up to 20,000 times a second, allowing us to count each car in the train, as well as help determine the speed and length of the actual train. When working in conjunction with the video, we're able to provide predictive information on these train movements with these two sensors. We can provide time until the next crossing, time spent at that crossing, which would be the blockage time, and time until it will be cleared. This can be used when rerouting first responders and commuters. In addition to that, in the clip you saw previously, it can identify more than just trains. With over 300 images trained onto our computer, we can identify any kind of hazard that might be posed or any sort of threat that might happen on the rail lines. We can identify potential suicide victims, trespassers, stalled cars, any sort of objects that might cause a derailment, really any sort of issue that would jeopardize the safety of any people or thing around the track. These technologies can be used widespread across any town, and they can be linked together to form a complete network covering any hotspot or crossing in your town. This program runs and streams real-time. By continuing to build off of and continue testing this base program, we can improve safety and efficiencies in communities and along rail lines, helping the DRSC and all towns meet their goals of reducing rail fatalities.